Visitor tracking is a very important tool to help you gain more insight into how your website is doing. And so today, we will be teaching you how to enable visitor tracking on your website using Zoho SalesIQ. If you want more easy-to-follow videos like this, make sure to subscribe and press that bell icon.
If you would like to integrate Zoho SalesIQ with your website to enable visitors tracking, click on Brands and choose the brand under which you would like to track your users. Click Installation and choose Website Installation. Zoho will provide you with the code, which you need to copy and paste before the closing body tag on your website HTML source code. Go to a website and insert this code before the body closed tag. This is how it should be like. Click Publish and go to the Publish site. Now let's track our SalesIQ dashboard. The user is tracked. Thank you.
Pretty easy, right? Now you know how to enable visitor tracking using Zoho SalesIQ. We appreciate your continued support of our videos. Please continue liking and sharing our videos with your community. If you have concerns or queries, don't hesitate to contact us at knowhow@customerization.ca.